Discover cloud computing excellence with DigitalOcean. Empower your projects with simple, affordable, and scalable solutions. In the rapidly evolving world of technology, finding the right cloud computing platform can be a daunting task. DigitalOcean simplifies this journey by offering an intuitive and user-friendly cloud platform tailored for developers, startups, and small to medium-sized businesses. Why choose DigitalOcean? Simplicity and ease of use. DigitalOcean is renowned for its straightforward and clean interface, making cloud computing accessible even to those new to the field. Whether you're deploying a web application, hosting a website, or managing databases, the process is seamless and hassle-free. Affordable pricing. With transparent and predictable pricing models, DigitalOcean ensures that you get the most value for your investment. Their flexible pricing plans cater to various needs, whether you're running a small project or scaling up to meet growing demands. Robust product offerings. DigitalOcean provides a comprehensive range of products, including droplets for scalable virtual machines, managed Kubernetes for simplified container orchestration, and managed databases for easy database administration. These services are designed to boost efficiency and performance. Community and support. DigitalOcean boasts a vibrant community and extensive documentation, offering valuable resources and support to help you navigate your cloud journey successfully. Your gateway to cloud innovation experience. The power of cloud computing with ease. DigitalOcean's platform is designed to help you launch and scale applications with confidence. From deploying your first website to managing complex systems, DigitalOcean provides the tools and support you need to succeed. Explore the possibilities with DigitalOcean and take your projects to new heights. Start your journey today and see the difference simplicity and power can make.